Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause for our flag racing bird, Ken. Ken is our blue and gold macaw. Blue and gold macaws have a beautiful shade of blue on the back with a solid shade of yellow on the belly and on the wings. The vision eyes are solid black. Blue and gold macaws is part of the largest macaw. They can grow up to 80 centimeters and can be up to 70 years old. And that is Ken, our blue and gold macaw for you. Hello everybody, welcome to Manila Ocean Park's All-Star Bird Show. And I am Peter Oliver. Okay audience, this is an object that I will hide under one of these silver cups. Now audience, can you help me to shuffle this cup? Where do you want me to put the hidden object? Sir, where do you want me to put the hidden object? In the middle. Okay. So now may I call our second bird, Dazzle, our super breasted cockatoo. Dazzle is our super breasted cockatoo with scientific names Kakatua galeta. They are common in habitats of open woodlands and forest areas along the east coast of Australia. They are very loud birds and can really follow any sound. They typically feed on seeds, fruits such as papaya, durian, and rambutan. They also love born, and that's Dazzle. Okay, audience, do you think Dazzle has the ability to find a hidden object? Well, if yes, say, you can do it, Dazzle! Alright, so Dazzle, you can do it. All of us here believe that you can do it. And you did it. A round of applause for our second bird, Dazzle, retriever, Aaron. Okay, so now it's time. Who loves basketball? For our next two birds, are just like any married couple. And there will be a need for partners for life. If you're not about, and if any couple will attach in a real relationship, there will always be battles. Meet Bandit and Sassy, our beautiful pair of green-winged macaws, handling them trainer Melvin and trainer Ellison. So as I had mentioned earlier, Bandit and Sassy are partnered with each other and will be each other's needs for life. But today, they will battle it out to see what's the best in the basketball game. Now here they come. Okay, so audience, now I'm going to divide you into two. Where's the girls? Girls, I want you to cheer for Sassy. Come on girls, when you cheer. Sassy, Sassy. Alright, very good girls. Now boys. Boys, I want you to cheer for Bandit. Come on boys, I want to hear you cheer. Bandit, Bandit. Alright, very good boys. So let's do this. Basketball superstars, ready? Cheers, ready? Let's do this. Ready, set, and go. Here comes Bandit with the first ball. 1 point for Bandit, followed by Sassy. And another point for Bandit. 2 points for Sassy. Bandit with the third ball. 3 points for Bandit. 3 points for Sassy. And for the win, Bandit wins. What a close fight. 1 point for boys. Junior Mother, what do you say about that?
Only I won another race.
Are you sure about that? You want to lose again?
This time I got to Sassy will win.
So what race do you have in mind?
I want the race.
What is the race?
The first bird who can drop the 3 rings into the pole the fastest is the winner.
Okay, then the race is so be. So boys have already 1 point, and girls, come on. You cheer it out at 14 Sassy, okay? So we will be doing this once again, this time in relays. Girls, I want to hear you cheer. Ready? Okay, now Melvin and Sassy have a plan. So let's do this. Ready, set, and go! Here comes Bandit with the first ring once again. 1 point for Bandit. Hey, what's this? Sassy can have 2 rings at the same time. Nice, there's that. And the winner is Sassy. Alright. Here is 3 rings at the same time. What do you say about that? Hey, you cheated. You cheated.
I didn't cheat. Sassy is her brain.
Oh, Sassy used her brain. Is it true that girls are more intelligent than the boys? No. Of course not. Again, a round of applause for our beautiful pair of green-winged macaws, Bandit and Sassy. Trainer Melvin and Trainer Ellison. Okay, so now it's time. I need an adult volunteer with a 500 peso bill. Anyone from the audience? An adult volunteer with a 500 peso bill. Okay, now. who wants a white shirt, please someone down here, please bring your 500 pesos. Okay, so you will notice that the birds usually in our show are mostly parrots. It is because parrots are highly intelligent, charismatic, colorful, and musical birds. They have a very good memory and can remember even the smallest details. Okay, that's how we're going here. So now, you should stand up here. By the way, ma'am, what's your name? Anna. A round of applause, volunteer, Miss Anna. Okay, ma'am, can I have your 500 pesos? Alright. So ma'am, please extend your right arm. After victory, begin your fingers. Okay, ma'am? Okay. Ma'am Anna, do you have any idea what will happen next? Okay, now let's see. So now I call our money bird, Buddy, our Malucan category. Let's go, Buddy. Alright, Buddy, let's go right again. It's okay, Buddy, come on. Alright, Buddy is our Malucan category to scientific names sa Katuwa Police. These birds can be found in Eastern Indonesia. Malucan caterpillars is the largest among the wild caterpillars. They can grow up to 60 centimeters and can live up to 8 years old. And that is Buddy. Alright, so Buddy, no more win. Let's go. Okay, so Buddy, this eye is ready. Okay, now just extend your right arm. Alright, now. Okay, now go Buddy. Alright, Buddy landed on Anna's arm. And Buddy checks the money. Is it real? Okay, Buddy eyes out and Buddy will go into donate it. A round of applause for Miss Anna. Thank you so much, ma'am. Did you know that Manila Ocean Park is a rescue center for birds? Ma'am, your donation would go a long, long way, and we are very, very grateful. Again, a round of applause for our donor. Thank you so much, ma'am. Anybody else? A 1,000 peso bill this time.
No way!
Anyone? Who wants a good heart? Ma'am Anna, we're just joking. Buddy, we're just joking, right? Alright. Buddy, come on, let's bring back the money. So? Buddy, let's roll. Okay, let's go, buddy. Alright, very good. Can you do that? Oh, man. Buddy's saying something. Buddy said, before you bring back the money, Buddy wants to give you a kiss. Is it okay? Alright, now, so there's someone down here. And all you have to do is offer your kiss and please face the camera. And Buddy will gonna kiss you. And there you got it. Now, here's your money. Again, a round of applause for our volunteer, Miss Anna, and our money bird, Buddy, our Malucan caterpillar. Parrots in particular are known to be intelligent and perceptive. That's why we make it a point to continue to enhance their skills and not get bored. Who knows this game? This is called a shake box puzzle. Do you still remember playing with this when you were younger? Okay, so once again, I call on our intelligent bird, Sassy. We have witnessed how intelligent Sassy is when you reways, right? So now let's see if Sassy can put all these shapes up into the box. Very good. Audience, are you ready? You're ready. What about you, Sassy? Are you ready? Sassy is always ready. Now go, Sassy. Show to us how intelligent you are. Pretty. Good, Sassy. Well, by the way, Sassy is our green beak hawk. The scientific name is Arachloraptera. They can grow up to 92 centimeters and can be 70 years old. They are known as the gentle giants of the parrot family. They are the second to the largest, next to the hyacinth macaws. And that is Sassy. Come on, Sassy, you're almost done. There you go, and she did it. A round of applause for our intelligent bird, Sassy the clear. Melvin. Okay, now it's time. Who loves smash? Let me test you some easy equation. This is a fast math, okay? 1 plus 1. 2 plus 2. 4 plus 4. 8 plus 92. 100. Alright, very good. So now I'm going to use your operation. Sir, wearing a light blue shirt. Can you give me a number between 1 to 50? Any numbers? 40 minutes.